Picture right now a prison. You, or someone you know, has been locked up for a crime, and that prison and cell is the place you or they will be staying in for a long time. What does it look like? What are the colors, the amenities, and more that are there? What might surprise you is that prisons all over the world don't have the same drab and depressing aesthetic you might be thinking of right now. As such, let us show you what prisons look like around the world. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. Aranjuez Prison, Aranjuez, Spain. Let's start out with one that you'll definitely not see coming. Spain's Aranjuez prison lets parents and children stay with their incarcerated family members. With Disney characters on the walls, a nursery, and a playground, the goal is to prevent kids from realizing, as long as possible, that a parent is behind bars. This is definitely not what you were expecting, right? Because families usually have a wall between them when visiting those in jails. But here, you could literally have a family life within prison. Some might think that's nuts, but it helps families stay close. Isn't that a good thing? Number 5. Luzira Prison, Kampala, Uganda. In Luzira, inmates are assigned more responsibility that would be in similar prisons in the United Kingdom or the USA. Inmates assume responsibility for the maintenance of harmony and functionality of the units where they live, including the growing and harvesting of food, its preparation, and its distribution within the prison. Learning is encouraged, with many men learning and teaching carpentry skills to others. The guard-to-prison ratio in Luzira is about 1 to 35, compared to 1 to 15 in the UK. Aggression among inmates is the exception and not the rule. There are some prisons that could definitely learn something from this model. Number 4. Bastøy Prison, Horten, Norway. Bastøy Prison is the largest low-security prison in Norway. The prison is located at Bastøy Island in the Oslo Fjord, belonging to Horten Municipality. The prison uses the whole island, but the northern part with the beach Nordbukta is defined as open to the public. The prison is organized as a small local community with about 80 buildings, roads, beach zones, cultural landscape, football field, agricultural land, and forest. In addition to the prison functions, there is a shop, library, information office, health services, church, school, NAV, government social services, dock, ferry service with its own shipping agency, and a lighthouse with facilities to let for smaller meetings and seminars. On Bastøy Prison Island, the prisoners, some of whom are murderers and rapists, live in conditions that critics brand cushy and luxurious. Yet it has by far the lowest reoffending rate in Europe, so that's something you should take into consideration. Number 3. Onomichi Prison, Onomichi, Japan. Elderly prisons are becoming more common in Japan as the country continues to age. Onomichi Prison hosts an all-senior population. Inmates have access to handrails, soft food, and spend their working hours knitting and sewing. In most countries, the older inmates would just be lumped in with the other inmates, but not here. It's made specifically for them and thus can handle their needs and try to rehabilitate them in ways that wouldn't exactly work on a younger criminal. Number 2. Norgerhaven Prison, Veenhoutsen, Netherlands. Inmates at the Norgerhaven Prison in Veenhoutsen, Netherlands, have a bed, furniture, a refrigerator, and a TV in their cells, as well as a private bathroom. The crime rates in the Netherlands are so low that they face an undercrowding crisis. To solve this problem, the country struck a deal with Norway in 2015 to take on their prison overflow. Now, part of Norwegian inmates serve their sentences in Norgerhaven. Number 1. HMP Addywell, Lothian, Scotland. HMP Addywell is a learning prison, where residents can address their offending behavior and the circumstances which led to their imprisonment through purposeful activity. Purposeful activities include education, counseling, and work. Nature and family contact whilst in prison is also a fundamental element of the rehabilitation process. This is a prison that many would appreciate in terms of function because it's not just locking people away. It's trying to get them to be better people and not commit crimes anymore. One has to wonder if other countries are going to go and adopt this at some point, as it'll no doubt do a lot of good. So what do you think? What do you think of this look at the prisons of the world and how some of them go and have different looks and functions based on their purpose? Are you surprised that some of these prisons look downright cheerful and happy? Which ones would you not mind going to and finding yourself locked up in? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time on the channel.